Hi, my name's Andrew, and today we're going to be planting potatoes. And we're going to be bringing out the big guns today. So today, we're going to be planting the potatoes. And yeah, so last year, we planted them in like the long bed back then. We had that big video, like when I was harvesting the potatoes, but you guys never, saw me plant them because I didn't have my YouTube channel then. But that's what we're going to be doing today. But first, we got to mix in the soil with this bad boy. Fun. Look at this boy. I'm mixing up cow manure and sand and topsoil. And that's the same thing that's over there, but it's just backwards. Okay guys, now we're just smoothing it out. Because remember when like a couple videos ago, I said you want it to be even? Because see right there, it's not even. It would go faster than the other one would grow slower. A woot? What the? So guys, I'm almost done smoothing it out. And I want to talk about a bit of this. So we put 10 fertilizer in it and potash. It makes potatoes go bigger and stronger. So these are the potatoes. We waited too long to put them in, so today's the day. Put them in. So it was pretty cold and we wanted to wait to put them in, but we waited a bit too long and the roots started growing. Normally you would just see tiny eyes, but yeah, we took too long to put them in. But today we're gonna put them in. Yay! So we're putting trusses in the ground like this. Now we're gonna move it. Drop any of that extra dirt off. Then put it right there. Now let's get to it. So we're gonna be placing them like a foot apart. We're gonna be doing like that. And then that should be far enough. And I just found a wormy. So, but before we do any more, first I want to show you this guy. He looks like an octopus mixed with a potato. Guys, comment down below what you think that would be called. So this is a pretty big potato, and we're not just going to be covering up, we're going to be laying these giant eyes, I guess, down, or roots, and we're just going to cover them with dirt, because these guys are crazy. What the? Okay. Wow. Okay, we have room for one more potato. Okay, now we just got to cover them all up. Boom, 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 boom. Okay, so guys, these are our potatoes from last year, and we're gonna see if they can still grow because we ran out of our other potatoes. Just like this. You're probably wondering how these potatoes are gonna grow. They're gonna grow on top of the seed potatoes. 3 more left. Okay, now I just gotta cover them. Okay, that should do it. I mean, we planted all the potatoes. I mean, what else to do? Okay, guys, so we're done with this. I'm just gonna give you like a little head start. So in this half area, this is where we're gonna be planting the corn. And when this stuff is gone, when this stuff is gone, we're gonna get rid of the hoops, both of them. Then just plant the rest of the corn. Guys, I'm a 7-year-old kid. I'm positive if I can do it, then you can do it. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye.